How to purchase credit on PixVerse. Hello everybody. If you're wanting to buy credit, you can follow the steps in order to do so. So for that, you can go ahead and download this application and open it up on your screen. And once you open it up, you should be finding something like this interface on your screen. Now from the given interface, what you need to do is, you can just go ahead and tap on the profile option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, profiles up here. So at the top of the screen, you should be finding basic with a thunder icon, 90, something like that, a number given. All you gotta do is go ahead and tap on basic. And after tapping on basic, here you will be finding subscription. Beside it, you should be finding option called credit packs. You just need to go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just go ahead and purchase a credit from here, like 500 under for $5, 2,000 for 20, 5,000, 10,000, anything. You just need to go ahead and tap on this purchase credits after selecting it. And once that is done, go on with the payment method and you should be able to purchase the credit on PixVerse. So that's it for now. That is how you purchase credit on PixVerse. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.